How to log in into Namely employee account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the step on how to log in into Namely employee account. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser or on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type in namely.com and press enter. Click on the login button at the top right corner of the home page. On the login page, enter your email address in the first field. Then tap on the continue. Now enter your Namely password. Enter the OTP sent by the company to your phone or email. After entering your credentials and OTP, click on the login button. You will be directed towards the Namely homepage where you can access your pay stubs, benefit, personal information and more. If you have forgotten your password, click on the forgot your password and follow the instruction to reset it. And that's it. You have successfully logged in into your Namely employment account. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you on the next video.